What do I need to do with the check valves on top of the head covers of my VT600? So I had a customer write in. They were removing all the air injection system stuff and EPA crap from the top of their VT600 to put velocity stacks in. And they came across the check valves that are on top of, I believe, mostly California models on the head covers on both sides, on the front and rear cylinder. So to get rid of those, you can just shove a giant bolt in the hose, which is hideous as hell, but you can get the AIS plates that I make, and they both use the same bolts. You just take off the little valves. It's like a little wedge with a port on the end. Take those off, and the AIS block-off plate goes over that. And that will take care of those reed valves.